All right. How's it going, everybody? FX Street coming to you with an updated video on Polkadot network against the US dollar. I'm going to show you guys what I think about this chart. But before we get into this, make sure you guys know, check us out on Twitter at FXS Crypto and our YouTube at FXS Street. All right, guys. Polkadot price, man, you really need to zoom out, guys. You need to zoom out. I'm not really a big fan of this right now. The only thing to really argue from a bullish perspective is, all right, we've seen a full impulse up. So macro, unless the low is wiped out, then yes, this is still macro bullish, right? So this is the deep wave two. This is the deep wave two, which is 80% away. I just don't think this makes sense. Not when Bitcoin is 35% away from the target, from an invalidation. So I think this is a really, just really not worth looking at. I think we should be looking at a different chart, but I understand some guys who got serious investments into here. They want to know when they can maybe, let some of it go. I don't think this is wave one here. Okay, so $14. I think wave one ended here at 1634. So, a lot of guys might be placing their validation at 1417. So that leads you to speculate, maybe we get 100% rally. I definitely think Bitcoin in the coming months and maybe a year will be heading towards 70,000. So yeah, that's a double in price. But will Bitcoin be trading against DOT? I mean, this is DOT against the US dollar. The DOT against BTC is an entirely different chart. I don't think DOT is more valuable than BTC at current time. In my opinion, what will probably happen, if you can see, this is really some shallow wave twos. Even if you had your wave one ending here, which I don't think, like I said, it's still just a very quick, brief wave two. So what I think is going to play out is a very long wave four, all right? A very long, time-consuming, complex wave four. If this was simple, this was simple. So wave one, in my opinion, ended here. A, expanding flat B, and then you see your C wave rally here for wave two, okay? Okay, you see it? So expanding flat. Yeah, in my opinion, wave four is going to be very complex and time consuming. This took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this could take double. This could take 20 weeks. This could take 4 times as much. So this could take, however many months you want to do the math on that, it's going to take. This is going to take a while. Okay. This is going to take a while. So ultimately, this is going to play range bound. It will probably get a double in the next coming 6 months. But overall, I still think this liquidity is going to get breached, for the last, I don't think any of this is safe, to be honest. Then maybe this level holds. Yeah, then maybe this level holds. And then afterwards, we get the big fund for Polkadot. But I think the rally has already happened for here. And I think this is just going to go range bound. If I go jump onto the daily chart, I think I did have some, yeah. So, there's nothing really signaling yet. We might climb back into some support on the RSI. It's just not the one you want to really be aiming for. It's just not the one you really want to aim for here. Yeah, this is your wave four. So just like I said in previous videos, this ultimately needs to get broken up here. $10 needs to get broken, a pullback, and then looking for an entry if you wanted to play the scalp move. But there's just going to be better charts. Right now, like I said, guys, we're seriously taking Bitcoin serious. We're taking Bitcoin very serious. Okay, we are at the trend channel. This is textbook stuff here. This looks very good. We're taking Bitcoin serious. We're taking Doji very serious. Okay, this is some good stuff going on here. I would love if you guys could send us some, make some requests and have us check out some more charts. This would be very helpful because there are going to be certainly be some sleeper coins that come out of nowhere that nobody's heard of that are going to make some real fun gains, impressive gains when the market does change. So, so we definitely want to keep our eye out for that scenario. Why is this doing that? We definitely want to keep our eye out for that scenario. Even Doge is looking good. You know, Doge is looking good. Dude. Still very tight, but from a risk to reward setup, it's long. Yeah, from the risk to reward, you know, you can't really beat it. Can't really beat it. Look at the risk to reward. It's a 14 to 1. So yeah, Doge is gonna get to $1 in the future. But that doesn't mean that this isn't gonna drop further down. The invalidation must always be waived. But anyways, this is your updated video on Polkadot. We are looking for some charts, guys, that are going to make some moves. This bearish market, I'm just not convinced that the crypto market is done as of yet. I want to see 13,880 get hit on Bitcoin before I say it's all over. But yeah, this is your updated video on DOT. Please like and subscribe to the Twitter account and to the YouTube, and I will see you guys on the next one.